Hey everybody, it's Ruth in Ruth's Art Room, and just wanted to quickly show you parts of a new Halloween kit that I've uploaded on Fern Hollow Printables. It's called Too Cute, I can't even talk, Too Cute to Spook. It's too early in the morning. And it's mostly pink and black themed with cute little, hopefully not too scary images for art journaling. And I kind of went crazy and made so many parts to this kit. I ended up splitting it into 3. So there's a basic set with your pages to fold in half, so they're 11 by 8.5 that you can fold in half, print on both sides, whatever, for your art journaling. It also includes journal cards with cute little images that you can fussy cut out, and I can't remember. And then the second kit has got a folio, which I've already kind of put together here. You could actually print this twice and make it doubled so that it's a little sturdier, but I was in a hurry yesterday. I think it's fine, and just printed it on both sides. And it comes with all kinds of little cutouts and tags and pockets. Super easy to put together. Excuse me. I did put in the instructions when you print out. See, it's so cute. It's got these other pockets, and you can kind of just put them wherever you want, but that's how I put it together. But just make sure, just like the other folio with the Whimsical girls, these thick lines, you score on each side so that when you fold it, it makes a boxy pleat so that it holds everything correctly. And then I did just put a little sticky Velcro dot. It's probably almost too strong for this, but whatever. So I wanted to show you that. Then there's another part to the kit that's just basically a ton of printables to fussy cut. I've got kits with loaded tags and pockets. I really can't even remember. I think I went kind of crazy and just spent all day yesterday putting kits together and uploading them. So real quickly, I was just going to show this other one. It's, I think they call it a stuffed tag. And I just love this kitty so much. So what I did is in the kit, I did include just a backing page. So what you do is you say print page 1 and 3 and double-sided so that you get this on the back. Which actually I'm going to use this for the inside. And then it comes with some ephemera to stuff inside the tag. So we'll see how it goes. I haven't put it together yet. It's trial and error. Let's get started. And I'm just going to and then while I'm making this, I'm going to show you in a minute about, I'm really wanting to put together some more just crafting junk journal kits for the, and I used to do the traveler's notebook size. Those are I think when you fold them over, they're, is it 8 inches tall by 4, something like 8.5 inches tall by 4 1/4 when they're folded, which is the standard traveler's notebook size. But then a lot of kits I've been seeing lately are tall and skinnies. So they're basically a whole page like this, and when you fold them over, so your whole notebook would be this size, a tall and skinny. Okay, now that Fiona has stopped eating all of my craft supplies, so for this, it's actually going to be stuck together. So let me see the best way. I'm just going to run a little blob along here. as well as here. And then this goes across the front like this. So it's got a front pocket. Perfect. So we've still got our cute kitty on the back. I honestly have so much fun creating these kits. I can't even tell you. You can print on the back side with that same paper. I just didn't do it. I was in a hurry. And I just wanted to demonstrate what you can do. But I would definitely print on the back. And if you want, you can fold these little tabs over. Oops. I didn't cut it very straight. Maybe they're not tabs. All right, and he fits perfectly down inside of there. All right. It's just too cute to spook. Done. Oh, Fiona hears me cutting. She's back. Put that there. Of course, you can get some ribbons, things like that. Attach whatever you want. I love pink. All right. So I won't cut the whole thing out, but I did want to explain how this one is put together. And then you've got these other little elements. Fifi. She's the star of the show. Aren't you, Fiona? Yep, this is what I deal with. All right. I thought that was cute, wishing you a happy Halloween. You can put that as a tuck inside here. You can attach it, say, with a No, do not eat that, Fiona. Don't destroy it. I've got fancy paper clips all over the place, but I don't know where they are. But you could say attach that to the outside. All kinds of things you can do. All right. So I hope you enjoy these kits. Let me know if you do purchase one. I would love it if you leave reviews for Etsy for me. That would be wonderful. Or if you can email me if you have questions about how to put anything together. But just real briefly, let me show you a couple of my junk journals. So I made these years ago, and this is the traveler's notebook size that I was talking about, which was kind of my favorite size. But let me know if you like this size, if you're interested in kits. This proportion where you open it up and it's the, like I said, it's basically 8.5 totally wide by about 8.25 tall. And this was kind of the thing for years, was the traveler's notebook size. But then, like I said, I've been seeing the tall and skinny, where you're actually 11 inches tall. So let me know what you would prefer. I am going to make probably a traveler's notebook size kit with lots of printable pages that you can just put it together fairly easily. And I'm going to make it more vintagey style, I think. And then another thing I may show eventually on here as well on how to make, this was a few years ago, but I made the traveler's notebook size, and this was somebody's kit that I got on Etsy. It's beautiful. I basically just used really heavy double-sided cardstock and then just added my own journals inside and pages, and then just a easy stitch. And then I made these envelopes out of these large sandwich bags. So, excuse me, let me know if that's something you're interested in learning how to do. And I may do a video on that with dimensions on how to put this together, because it was pretty fun and it looks really pretty. And I love the crinkle crinkle sound of paper. So anyway, that's all I've got today. Again, just my Etsy shop is the Fern Hollow Printables, the Too Cute to Spook kit. It comes in 3 sections. I may put it all together in one giant mega pack, but right now it's 3 separate ones. Everything in the shop is 25% off. And if you get all 3 of these together, there's another 10% off. So good deal. Took a lot of work, but I totally enjoyed it. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.